Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to log out of YouTube account on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So first we need to go to YouTube and after that click on our account. And after that click switch account. And after that, you must click manage account on this device. And after that, click remove from this device. And that's all. And this is very easy way. After that, we need to confirm this decision. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and write good comments. Bye bye everyone. See you later.